Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, 2008. Hewlett-Packard & Company, the world's largest personal computer maker, may buy back as much as $8 billion in shares, matching its largest repurchase. Bloomberg News reports that about $3 billion remained under the previous repurchase plan approved last year. A buyback for the full amount would equal about 166 million shares, or 6.8% of the stock outstanding, based on the closing price September 19th. And staying with capital markets news, AXA Private Equity, the leveraged buyout arm of Europe's second biggest insurer, is looking to sell cleaning goods maker the Spotless Group for $1 billion. Bloomberg News reports that AXA has hired Lazard to manage the sale of the company, which it values at about 10 times operating profit. About 20 private equity firms have been contacted for a first round of bids at the end of this week. And in more capital markets news, Kinder Morgan Energy Partners has filed to periodically sell up to $5 billion in common units and debt securities. Reuters reports that the company said in a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that it will use the proceeds from the offering for general corporate purposes. Those purposes could include additions to working capital, repayment, or refinancing of existing debt. And in other capital markets news, Nomura, Japan's largest brokerage, has agreed to buy the European and Middle Eastern equities of the investment banking operations of Lehman Brothers for an undisclosed amount. The businesses employ around 2,500 people, and Nomura believes it will keep a significant proportion of them. The deal does not include any trading assets or trading liabilities and still needs regulatory approvals. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.